press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So in this video, I will be showing you some other ways in which you can use your eyeshadows. Hey my love, welcome back on Indian Makeup, and yes, I throw a giveaway every month, so if you haven't subscribed for my channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hack number 1, have you ever ran out of your eyebrow product? No worries, just use an eyeshadow color which is in black brown color, just like this, and you would be all sorted. Just use it with your angular brush and fill up your eyebrows and you're good to go. Oh, again forgot your bronzer at home and you are having nothing? Worry not, you are having your eyeshadow. Just use a warm brown color like this from your eyeshadow and an angular brush and apply it wherever you apply your bronzer and you would be good to go. Not in the mood of investing a good amount on your highlighter? Worry not, you are having your eyeshadow. Just use the lightest and the shimmery color like this, white or golden or champagne color, and just use it as your highlighter. Missed your blushes somewhere? Worry not, you are having your eyeshadow. Just use the beautiful coral pink color from your eyeshadow and with a fluffy brush you can apply it on your apples of the cheek. Want to apply your kajal but not having one? Just be worry free because you are having your eyeshadow. Just use a black eyeshadow like this with a smudger brush and just apply it on your waterline. So yes, these were some of my favorite hacks from eyeshadow, from which you can just go for all of your makeup. I have used as a kajal, as a highlighter, as a bronzer, as a blush and whatnot, and also as an eyebrow filler. So yes, this was like a great thing for me and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and family, and please comment in the comment section how was your experience, and if you have tried anything from these hacks, please let me know in the comments below. So yes, this was all for this video and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.